back to another Ohio's First Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights. Today is August the 16th, 2025.
Once again, we're standing on Arts Road, right across the street from the entrance to the new Buc-ee's. Very hot day out here today.
Yes, and we always have the sun in our eyes.
It always works out that way.
Yes.
A couple changes to note today. I think the biggest change that we saw was they've installed the 3 Texas stars on the south side of the building. So we got a good picture of that for you. That area on the back of the property that they were grading last week, looks like that's been completed. There's no more water laying around back there. The north fuel pump island, about half of it is the concrete's been poured. Still got some more work to do there. The roof is nearly complete. Just a small section in one corner left to finish up there. The north entrance to the Buc-ee's, they've poured the curbs. We got some pictures of that, kind of show you what that entrance is going to look like. The exit ramp from Interstate 70 to State Route 235, see a lot of progress there. Also some progress to the road improvements along State Route 235 in front of the Buc-ee's. Next week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, August 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, we're going to be in Powell, Ohio, not too far from the Columbus Zoo. We're going to have our cat rack game over at the St. Peter, St. Joan of Arc Summer Festival. We booked in with our friends from Fun Time Carnival. So if we got any viewers over in the Columbus, Ohio area, please stop by and say hi. We'd love to meet you. Anything else you want to add today, Sonia?
It is very hot.
It's a very warm day out here.
Very warm day. I thought we got rid of that last week.
No, it's hanging on.
Yes, it is.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Standing here at the north entrance to the Buc-ee's. See, they got the curbs laid out here for the new entrance to the store. Looks like we'll have about at least 2 lanes to exit the Buc-ee's. Over there you got a divider island, concrete curbs. Over here, this looks like this will be the entrance. Looks like we got 1 lane that'll be coming in from a left-hand turn or from across the street. Well, right now I'm standing on what will be State Route 235 northbound. These are the lanes that are currently under construction for the improvements for the new Buc-ee's. As you can see, as you come up State Route 235 north, you should have a dedicated lane to make a right turn into Buc-ee's. And there's the divider island. Curbs are in place. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see where the stars have been added to the south side of the building. You can also see that the roof is nearly covered. Just a small section there in the upper left-hand corner needs completed. This is a look at the North Fuel Pump Island. You can see where they've laid about half of the concrete down for the fuel pump islands. This is the north parking lot. You see a lot of the equipment set in this parking lot waiting to be installed in the building. This is the area at the back of the property that was being graded last week. Looks like they made a lot of progress here. This is the south parking lot. You can see some light poles laid out at the edge of the parking lot over by the water. Here you can see where the Texas stars have been installed on the south side of the building, above where the ice machines will be located. This would be the north entrance to the BUC-EE'S. You can see where they've installed some concrete curbs, kind of define the entrance lanes in and out of the property. Here we can take a look at State Route 235 and some of the improvements that have been made to the road. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. See, there's been a lot of progress made here.